Hey everyone, Nate here from Touareg, talking about the Touareg soft cabinet. We all know space is an issue and storage is an issue in the van. The nice thing about the soft cabinet is it covers both. When you want to use it, you can open it up and use it for storage. And when you need more space, you can collapse it down when you need that extra space up back in the bunk area of your van. So when you receive your soft cabinet, it's going to look just like this. To open it up, you're going to remove the tab, open up the cabinet, and push the two plastic sides up on either edge. Those will be held in place by Velcro, and that will actually allow you to access the 6 rear holes in order to secure it to your wall. If we want to store our cabinet just to create more space in our van, it's really easy to pack it back down. Simply, we follow the steps that we use to assemble it just in reverse. We're going to open up the front door, pull the side tabs down, and collapse it down and reattach that snap button that we took off at the beginning of the assembly process. The nice thing about this cabinet is that you can attach it really to any surface that you have available in your van. If it's sheet metal you're attaching to, you're going to want to use a self-tapping screw. If you're attaching right into a nice secure wooden panel on the side, you're going to be wanting to use a piercing screw such as one of these. And that, guys, is the Touareg soft cabinet. Great for storing clothing, food, really any other items you want to get up off your countertops, your bed, your floor. Great for your storage options when you need them, and great to collapse down and be small and tight when you need the space. For any other questions about the Touareg soft cabinet, reach out to us at mytouareg.com and we'd be happy to answer any questions you have.